Hello and welcome friends. In my new video, today we are going to start the new chapter number 5, admission of a partner. Admission of a new partner. Okay. When a new partner comes into the business, he has two type of rights. That is, first, to share the profits of the firm. Second, to share the assets of the firm. Now, when he enters in the business, he has to bring two things. First one is his share of capital. Second one, his share of goodwill, known as premium for goodwill, to compensate the old partners in their sacrifice. Okay, so here you should remember that we have to find out the sacrificing ratio. For that, we have to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. On that basis, we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio as goodwill is distributed in sacrificing ratio. Okay, so it is very compulsory that you find out the new PSR, then sacrificing ratio to distribute the goodwill. Okay, in this chapter, goodwill plays a very important role. Then we are going to have distribution of accumulated profits and losses, distribution of reserves, and then revaluation, that is reassessment of assets and liabilities. And the last adjustment we are going to do is capital adjustment, just we have done in the change in profit sharing ratio chapter. Okay, so these are the things we are going to do in admission. So let us start with the first. First, we are going to find out the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. Profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Okay. There are 5 cases and we are going to solve one by one. So case first. When new partner takes his share from the firm, that means from the old partners. Okay, for example, A and B are partners in 3:2. C is admitted for 1/4 share in the firm's profit. Okay, whenever it is stated C is admitted for 1/4 or any share from the profit of the firm, that means C is going to take from the firm. Now, who is the firm? The firm means the total partners. Okay, so they are going to take from combined A and B. In such a case, you have to take, let the firm's profit be 1. Okay, so total profit we are going to count as 1. Out of that, we are going to give C. Therefore, after giving C, the remaining profit will be will be 1 minus 1 by 4, that will be 3 by 4. Okay, now this we are going to give to C, that means this belongs to A and B, this belongs to C. Okay, now we are going to find out the new PSR. In that A, B. Now we are going to distribute this 3 by 4 between A and B. Okay, so 3 by 4, 3 by 4. As we are going to distribute in which ratio? So we are going to take the old ratio, that is 3 by 5, 2 by 5. Okay, that will be 9 by 20, 6 by 20, and C share was 1 by 4. To make it 20, we will do the same. I'm going to multiply with 5, so it will be 5 by 20. In such a case, new PSR will be 9:6:5. Okay, between A, B and C. Okay, so this is the new PSR. Now we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio at the same time. Okay, in this first A actually. Okay, is A. Now sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. This will be calculated formally, and B, as C is a new partner, he is always gaining. Okay, so the new ratio is 9 by 20, 6 by 20, and the old ratio was 3 by 5, 2 by 5. So it is going to be 20. Okay, so 4 by 12 minus 3 by 20, 20. Sorry, I have taken reverse. The old ratio of 3 by 5 minus 9 by 20, 2 by 5 minus 9 by 20. So it is going to be 20. 12 minus 9, 3 by 20, 20. This will be, sorry, this is 6. So 8 minus 6, 2 by 20. So sacrificing ratio between A and B is 3:2. Here you should note down that in the previous chapter, change in profit sharing ratio among existing partners, we are taking with the denominators, but in this we are not taking. So it should be very clear in both the chapters there is a difference while taking sacrificing ratio. So please keep in mind. Okay. Now if you see, in this case our old ratio is 3:2 and our sacrificing ratio is same 3:2. So whenever the new partner is taking from the firm, you should remember that old ratio will be the sacrificing ratio. This is very important. Why this is very important? Because when you are going to calculate or you are going to do the full question of admission, in that case we are not going to do this part of working because it will be time consuming. So whenever it is not stated specifically to calculate sacrificing ratio, we can directly take, if the partner is taking from the firm, old ratio will be the sacrificing ratio. Now we move to case B. Okay. First B. When new partner takes his share from the firm and future ratio of old partners is given. Okay. Now we are not going to change the question. Question is same. For example, A is to be equals to 3:2, C for 1/4, and he is taking from the firm. Now in that case also we are going to take, let the firm's profit be 1. Okay, so after giving C, remaining share will be 1 minus 1 by 4 equals to 3 by 4. As you know, this belongs to C and this belongs to A and B. Okay, so we are going to find out the PSR. A 3 by 4, B 1 by 4. Now this profit sharing ratio, actually this share will be distributed in the future ratio. Suppose future ratio of A and B was 1:1, that is 2. So we are going going to distribute not in this ratio, we are going to distribute in the future ratio this share. Okay, so that will be 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So it will be 3 by 8, and C is for 1/4 share. To make the 8, we are going to multiply with 2, so it will be 2 by 8. So new PSR is 3:2. Okay, now we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, A and B only. A, old ratio was 3 by 5, this is 2 by 5, and here 3 by 8, 3 by 8. So 8 5s are 40, 8 3s are 24, 5 3s are 15, 9 by 40. Okay, this is 40, 8 2s are 16, 5 3s are 15, 1 by 40. So the sacrifice ratio of A and B is 9:1. Again, we are not going to take denominators in this case. Now if you see here, old ratio is 3:2. Okay, and sacrificing ratio is 9:1. So in second case, it is just not same. Old ratio is not same as sacrificing ratio as in the case A. So please keep in mind that there will be difference if we are going to have the future ratio. Okay, now we move to case 2. When new partner takes his share from old partners in a specific ratio. In a specific ratio, that ratio may be equal or any other ratio. Whenever you are takes his share, okay, from old partners in a specific ratio, that means, let us see. For example, suppose A and B are partners in 3:2 again. C is admitting for 1/4 share. It is said C takes his share equally from both the partners. In such a case, first we are going to find out how much C is going to take. So C takes from A 1 by 4 into half, because it is equally taken from A and B 1:1, so it will be 2, so half. Okay, so it will be 1 by 8. B also his share 1 by 4, C's share was 1 by 4 and he is taking half, so it will be 1 by 8 from both the partners. Now we are going to find out the new PSR. Okay, A, the old ratio was 3 by 5, B 2 by 5, and C 1 by 4. Now from A, C is taking 1 by 8, so whenever it is taking, we are going to deduct. Okay, from means deducting. Whenever I am taking anything from you, that means from your side it will be deducting. Okay, so 1 by 8, 8 5s are 40, 8 3s are 24, 5 is 5, 19 by 40 minus 1 by 8, again it is 40, 8 to the 16 minus 5, 11 by 40. Now we are going to add 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. It is given by A, it is given by B. So to make it 40, I am going to do something, that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, 1 by 8. So how much it will be? So it will be, actually I can do it simply. To make it 40, I am going to multiply with 10. Okay, so it will be better to have 10 by 40. So if you see the new PSR, okay, so new PSR is 19 is to 11 is to 10, the total is 40 itself. Now we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. A, old ratio was 3 by 5, B 2 by 5, new one is 19 by 40, 11 by 40, so it is going to be 40, 8 is the 24 minus 19 equals to 5 by 40, here also 40, 8 to the 16 minus 11, 5 by 40. So the sacrificing ratio equals to 5 is to 5, that means equal. Okay, so here also you can see that the specific ratio is itself a sacrificing ratio. So here in this case, specific ratio will be the sacrificing ratio. This is shortcut you should remember while doing the question. Okay, when new partner takes his share from the old partners. Okay, when new partner takes his share from the old partners. Now, whenever it is taken from the old partner, we are going to deduct directly. Okay, so let us start. For example, AB 3 is to 2 again, C equals to 1 by 4. Okay, now C takes C takes 1 by 12 from A and 1 by 6 from B. Okay, whenever this type of question is given from A, from B, so we are going to directly deduct 1 by 12 and 1 by 6 from A and B respectively. So new PSR, A, old ratio was 3 by 5, out of that 1 by 12, B 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6, okay, and C 1 by 4. So let us see, 60, 12 5 is 60, 12 3 is 36, minus 5, 31 by 60, okay. This is also, I am taking 60 because we have to make it same, okay. So 12 5 is 60, 12 2 is 24, minus 10, 14 by 60, okay. And to make it 60, we have to multiply with 15, so it will be 15 by 60. So new PSR will be 31 is to 14 is to 15, 31, 45, 50, 60. So it is 60. Okay, denominator is same, that means our new PSR is okay. Now we will move to sacrificing ratio. As we know, sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. So A 3 by 5 minus 31 by 60, B 2 by 5 minus 14 by 60. So let us see, this is 60, 12 3s are 36 minus 31, 5 by 60, this is 60, so 12 2s are 24 minus 14 equals to 10 by 60. So if you see, the sacrificing ratio equals to 5:10, that is 1:2. Okay, if you see the ratio here also, it is same. If we convert 1 by 6 in 12, then it will be 2 by 12. Okay, so this is same. This is same here. Okay, that means specific ratio equals to sacrifice ratio. But the denominator you have to make it same. So specific ratio equals to sacrifice ratio here also. Okay, but that specific ratio should have denominators same. Okay. Denominators should be same. Okay. Now we move to next case 4. Case 4, when new partners share is not given and old partners contribute from their share. Okay, that means the new partner share is not given and old partners are contributing from their share. So let us start. For example, A is to B 3:2. The ratio of C is not given. It is same. A surrenders 1/4 of his share and B surrenders 1/6 of his share in favor of C. Okay, so C is going to get, C gets from A 3/5 into 1/4, that will be 3/20. B 2/5 into 1/6, that will be 2/30. Okay, now we are going to make the denominator same here only, so there will be no difficulty afterwards. So to make it equal, we should multiply with 3 here, so it will be 9/60, and with 2 here, so it will be 4/60. If you see the things, the ratio is 9:4. Okay, now we are going to calculate the new PSR. A 3/5. Now A is going to give 9/60, so it will be 60. 12 3s are 36 minus 9 equals to 27/60. B 2/5 minus 4/60, so it is going to be 60. 12 2s are 24 minus 4 equals to 20/60. Now we are going to give to C. C is getting 9/60 plus 4/60, that will be 13/60. So our new PSR is 27:20:30, that will be 60. Okay, clear? So new PSR is 60. Now we calculate sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, in this case A is old ratio of 3/5 B's old ratio was 2 by 5. A's new ratio was 27 by 60. B's new ratio was 20 by 60. So let's find out 60. 12 3s are 36 minus 27 equals to 9 by 60. Here also 60. 9 2s are 24 minus 20 equals to 4 by 60. So sacrifice ratio equals to 9:4, which is same here as A and B are contribution. So old partner's contribution that is same denominators equals to sacrificing ratio. Okay, you have to make the first same denominators, then it will be same. Okay, now we move to case fifth. Case fifth, on the admission of a new partner, when from old partners, one partner retains his share. Okay, that means we are going to see here A, for example, A is to B is to C, 3 is to 2 is to 1. Okay, D is admitted for 1/4. Okay, C retains his share. Okay, that means D is admitted for 1/4 and C is retaining his share. In that case, we are going to solve that the firm's profit B1 as B is taken from whom we don't know. Okay, but now what happens is D is taking 1/4 and C is retaining his share. So both the things will be deducted first, then the remaining will be distributed between A and B. So remaining share after giving C and D. So remaining share will be 1 minus 1/4 minus 1/6. Okay, so we have to deduct both the things, D as well as C share. So it will be 6 over 24, 24 minus 6 and minus 4. So it will be 14 by 24. This we are going to give to A and B. Okay, and this for D and this for C. Now new PSR A, B, C, D. Okay. Here you have to keep in mind, as C is gone, now the old ratio of A and B is 3/5, 2/5. So we are going to distribute this share in the ratio of 3/5, 2/5. Okay. So 43s are 42 and 24 5s are 120. 28 by 120. C share was 1/6. To make it 120, we have to multiply 20. So it is going to be 20 by 120. Here 1/4 to make it 20, 30. So 30 by 120. So our new PSR will be 42 is to 28 is to 20 is to 30. Now we are going to divide it. It will be 21 is to 14 is to 10 is to 15. Okay. So that will be 20, 30, 40, 50. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay. Now sacrificing ratio we are going to find out. Sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Now A, B, C here. So it is 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6, and the new ratio is 21 by 60, 14 by 60, 10 by 60. So 60 and so 30 minus 21 equals to 9 by 60. This is 60. 20 minus 14 equals to 6 by 60. It is 60. And minus 10 equals to 0. So the sacrificing ratio is between A and B only. So 9:6, that is raised to 2. Okay. This is the end of the new PSR. If you have any problem regarding this new PSR or sacrificing ratio, please comment. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you.